Omuramuzi David Matovu agizira ngo mushango gumaziro bwire na habwesho gushemerire kuwa konke cy'abatonganiriza bamwe banjire bari kugira ngo nubete ngo bwire.
You may not know what is going on in this case. Just this morning when I came up, so many people are asking about this file. Why you are just go away? I want to invoke this file report to say miscellaneous application number 45 is not supported by evidence. And I today, if you agree with me, you uphold my PO. If you disagree with me, you do not sustain it and proceed with the merits. Not by law of a letter, but by law of this application. But my gut feeling and premise of law is that there is no evidence in support of miscellaneous application number 45.
That there has been some irregularity, some illegalities committed by the lower court. This court can even move on its own motion to investigate those matters.
James Watota orukutonganira babinjirwo mu itaka nagirango bwa hatiti bine hoktaha kandi omukikuru Amina Namiru nagirango abantu bakamutahirira nuko kumubinga hamwe no kutemento cheze
nuko kumugambira abantu kubandungiro mukayanje mukare kunabire njyaho nareba amahego nabizura gajya mu yangu amahe polisi amahe bigenda reba bona n'abapolisi n'amahego nabizura mu yangu.
On the disputed lands we had there, banana plantation, their gardens, everything. So,
were they cut down?
Part of the banana plantation was cut down. Part of it was cut down. Others are still there, and they cannot even access because they were evicted.
Omutonganirizi waba babinjira abantu mu itaka nagirango abantu ababinjirwe bashemerire ku rugamo ahabwo kubati bine buhame bwona oburkoreka ngo itaka neryabo.
I have heard it was dismissed. Now, and that's why I'm saying that in a situation where I come here from a statement and I get eviction, yes, that would be an opaque situation. Opaque, you need
the proper application for revision and revising the orders of the lower court and grants costs since the whole process was put in motion by the
ahabwemba juzona kuremwa kwikirizana omuramuza cyire mu yayongera yo rubanjoro.
You want to go to Kampala very fast? You come here at 3 p.m. on 5th and you get this.
Omushangogu nuguza kwongera kuhurwa ebiro bitano byo kwa katano esande rukwisha. Amakuru agagasha kwa Anton Atwine umurimbar.